the supporting cast, what's your favorite mafia movie? And how did this series change the way you look at mafia?
Great question. All right, let's start with Frost over there para fair tayo. So what's your favorite mafia movie and how did this story change what you think about the mafia? All right.
The first mafia movie I ever watched was Godfather. But my favorite, Goodfellas. I love Goodfellas. I love it's a cautionary tale, but who cares? He lived a cool life. But the way this Wattpar, this project we're doing changed my view was that it's one of a kind. You would never expect that in the world of mafia, where there's killing, extortion, I can say that, right? Drugs. There comes across this girl, Amy, who ventures into something like that, and you wonder, how the hell is she gonna survive? And I think that premise is what makes this Wattpad stand out.
Okay, I'm Jaime Eliana. So, my favorite mafia series or movie would be The Peaky Blinders. It's a great option. Medyo matagal din siya eh. Siguro five seasons. Grabe, it focuses on the dark side talaga of the mafia. So, it could be adapted into this series which we could all learn from. Pero my character kasi, I don't wanna spoil, pero medyo mahina siya sa mafia. So, parang kailangan ko po maghanap ng inspiration sa mga ibang series.
Hello everyone, ako nga pala ulit si Dan. And my favorite movie, alam nyo ba yung The Good, The Evil, and The Cop? It's a K-drama na mafia. Kung hindi nyo alam, panoorin. About siya sa mafia and talagang sobrang namulat ako sa movie na yun. Sobrang ganda niya. And at the same time, yung pinaka-importante sa mafia movies, yung mga backstory kung bakit sila naging ganun. So that, same lang sila ng mafia boss nito. Marami kayong aabangan at medyo matatouch kayo sa every backstory namin lahat. Yun lang po.
Alright, how about Sarah on this side?
The first mafia movie that I watched was also The Godfather. Of course, with starring Al Pacino, he's one of the legends, and this was one of my my father's favorite films. Al Pacino was one of his favorite actors as well. So growing up, I was very exposed to action films. So.
Hello, ako 365 days. Parang may similar din kasi yung story sa Mafia boss and na-in-love siya sa an ordinary girl. Parang as Sebastian Lerwig.
Ako naman, I'm not sure if this movie counts as a mafia movie, The Kingsman. It's somehow similar. But what I like this series though is, alam niyo yung pag-ibig ba? Yung pag-ibig, once pumasok, kahit yung pinakamatigas na bato na puso ng walang hiyang tao sa buong mundo, lalambot. And that's the really the highlight of this. Kasi nga, well, alam natin lahat sa mga nagbasa na, ang tigas ng puso, hindi na. Pero nang dumating, ang isang babaeng nagpalambot, yun talaga yung highlight na love really conquers all. And I think that's everything, and yun yung dapat abangan, and yun yung pinaka-highlight talaga dito sa story na to. And abangan natin lahat yan.
Hello, Chuck. Ako po, I'll be honest, hindi po talaga ako mahilig manood. Like, sobrang dalang lang ako manood ng movie. But yung familiar lang sa akin ng mga mafia movies or series, like yung, ayun, nasabi, 365 days. Basta may nagbabarilan, mafia yun. Ganun yung sa akin.
similar to Kuya Maru. Hindi ako fan ng Mafia, pero I think is similar siya sa Kingsman. Yung outfits, and may mga guns din, syempre. And ayun, it's super exciting din.
Me personally po, I haven't really watched. Hindi din po ako mahilig masyadong manood.
Actually, same din. But I watched The Godfather and some episodes of Peaky Blinders, so yeah.
Thank you. Can I ask Fifth? Fifth, hi. Hello daw from Ice.
Hello po.
Hello from my son, yeah.
Yes,
It's good to see you back, no? I hope you don't mind my asking, how does this series help you sa recovery mo after what you've been through?
Oh my God. Nakaka-emotional. Sorry. Ako kasi I love my work. I love filmmaking. I love my job. So for me, pag ginagawa ko siya, I feel alive. And for me, I'm here because of my art. So I'm happy na binigyan ako ng ganitong chance ng Viva One, ng Viva. Ang tagal ko rin nawala sa Viva. I think yung last project ko sa kanila, pandemic pa. Tapos, nung nag-message ako kay Boss Val,
Sorry.
binigyan ako agad ng chance. So, I'm very, very thankful to have this project. Nakakatulong talaga siya sa akin sa lahat, emotional, mental, and everything.
And I'm sure tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Sorry. I got
sorry.
emotional.
Sorry, baka na-trigger ka sa question. We're glad to see you back, and I'm sure tuloy-tuloy na ang good breaks. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. And rounding off batch 2 from Barangay LSFM at Hata, we have John Fontanilla.
Kay Direk, ayan, medyo naiyak si Direk. Pero medyo light lang. Direk, marami nakakamiss sa'yo na umarte. Mas nakafocus na ba tayo sa pagdidirek and kinalimutan ba natin yung pag-arte na?
Ako po, mas focus na talaga ako ngayon sa directing, writing. Pero syempre, hindi naman natin sinasarado yung doors. I think sa buhay dapat lagi kang open sa mga bagay. So, if may magandang pyesa, why not? Mahal na mahal ko talaga yung industriyang pelikulang Pilipino. Kaya kahit anong bagay na magiging parte ako nito, tatanggapin ko. Basta maganda and makakatulong rin sa akin.
And Direk, my second question is, my husband is a mafia boss. Marami bang stunt, barilan, yung mga eksenang action talaga?
Actually, hindi ko na nga in-expect na mabibigay siya sa akin. Kasi sa una, rom-com siya. Tapos pag tumatagal, di ba, director na naka-pink, binigyan ng action. So, na naka-blush on, totoo ba? So, tumatagal, nagiging action talaga siya. Talaga nakita niyo naman kanina yung opening nila lahat. May barilan, may mga kadena. So, mag-expect kayo ng kilig, comedy, at maraming action dito.
Thank you, Direk, and congratulations sa Lucas.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.